Alright, tip number 1. So, hard versus soft toothbrush, which is best for you? And what I like to think about is it being like sandpaper. So with the soft toothbrush, it's actually going to be better for you because you're just trying to disrupt the bacteria that is causing cavities. Where a hard will do the same thing, but it could be a little bit more detrimental to your teeth and also want to kind of hurt your gums at the same time. So you're just looking for something that will just disrupt the bacteria that causes cavities and prevent cavities from forming. Hi, I'm Dr. DeForest with DeForest Dental, and today we're going to talk about 5 tips to make sure that you're properly brushing and flossing your teeth. Now, if you guys are looking for a new dentist, consider DeForest Dental. We have offices in St. Charles, Missouri and Lake St. Louis, Missouri. We're open Monday through Friday with late appointments Tuesday night and Friday mornings. Alright, now let's get into the video. Alright, now let's talk about tip number 2. So, tip 2, you take your soft toothbrush and you want to go just against your teeth and go back and forth just slightly. So you kind of want to stay away from your gums to prevent them from disappearing and rising up. Now this will help prevent sensitivity as long as you stay on your teeth. And you want to get all surfaces. So you want to do 2 minutes twice a day. Alright, and now you go on the inside and then you just move around, same small motion, kind of circular, and just kind of stay away from your gums as much as possible. But you definitely still want to get all the way to the gum line. Alright, well, let's talk about tip number 3, and that is how to properly floss your teeth to help prevent your gums from bleeding. So you want to get about a foot out, a little bit over a foot, and you want to wrap it around your fingers. And then you want to actually go in between your teeth all the way to the gums and kind of go push forward and move and then push backwards and kind of bring it back and forth so that you're kind of creating a C around the teeth so that you're getting all of the plaque and bacteria out of there, and then you want to remove. Now you should do this after you brush your teeth. Alright, now let's talk about tip number 4. Should you brush and floss in the morning or at night? So the recommendation is 2 times a day for 2 minutes. So you should brush both in the morning and at night for 2 minutes. Alright, now let's talk about tip number 5. So tip number 5, electric versus manual toothbrush, which is better? So electric is going to be better, and the reason is it's actually going to do the little circles much faster than you could with your hand. So I would always recommend getting an electric toothbrush, especially if, for the elder population that make it just a little bit harder to actually use your manual toothbrush. And we'll show this right now. So with the electric toothbrush, you're just going to go on each surface and turn it on. And you don't actually have to move back and forth like you did with the manual toothbrush. So, if you're older and you have a little bit harder time with the manual toothbrush, definitely consider getting an electric toothbrush just so you don't have to do the movements yourself. If you guys are looking for a new dentist, definitely consider DeForest Dental. We have practices in St. Charles, Missouri and Lake St. Louis, Missouri. You can like us on Facebook at DeForest Dentistry, and you can also schedule an appointment at DeForestDentistry.com. And until next time, thanks for watching.